Hello, I'm back. I'm doing a really quick eye look, and I do mean quick because I'm running late, so I might not even have to edit this. Today I am using the Natasha Denona Glam palette. You see that? It's kind of reflective. There's a new palette coming out, but I need a nude midi palette. I definitely want it. It's giving me like Glam palette vibes, but with like a pink undertone to it, and I love pink. I love pink. So anyway, just going in, so taking my, what's this called? Cinch EO3 and going in with Blend. I think this was the palette that that was supposed to like tell you what to do with the shade, but I don't even know that I've paid attention to the names. Like, I only say it now because I am recording it. Going in with my Sonia G, what is this called? Sonia G Builder. I went in with this one that says Center Lid. It's right there. And that I did put all over my center lid. I probably could have put like a glitter primer down for more impact. But like I said, I'm kind of rushing, so I kind of just want to get a semblance of a look down and then be done. Yep, so just like that. And then wiping off that brush and then going in with the one that says inner corner and just taking it with the tip of the brush because I am putting it in my inner corner. And that's it. I'm gonna put on mascara and then I will be back. All right, that's it. No eyeliner today, just the Pat McGrath Dark Star. And that is it. If you like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.